Yamaha presents the new look in fun motorcycling, the Yamaha YSR. But even if the only sporting around you do is getting to school on time, you'll be glad to know the YSR incorporates all the style and grace found in Yamaha's legendary super sport bikes at a fraction of the cost. The Yamaha Ysr 50 cc's of fun for the whole family at a great price. Go down to your local Yamaha dealer, pick one up while they last. But please, leave some for the other kids on the block. Yamaha, we make the difference.
Starting the paint process on a Yamaha Ysr50. My first street bike was a Ysr50, so I'm kind of happy to be doing this one. I'll put a picture up of it. I had the pleasure of doing some restoration work on one of these about a year ago, which is really cool since I owned one. I will put a link in the description if you would like to see the whole video, but here are some clips of it.